Hey everyone, welcome back to the Everything Review channel. This is Piali and today I'm back with a sorted set of cookies from Open Secrets. So here's the box and this houses three type of cookies and yeah, let's unbox and see what is there inside and then taste how it tastes. Hey everyone, so this is the Open Secret assorted box of cookies. It houses 12 cookies and this retails for 300 rupees and I got this for 299 rupees, 1 rupee discount. And yeah, 300 rupees for 12 cookies is a bit too much, so let's see what all we've got. So this says that it's like, you know, wise, it's tasty and it's like sugar free or something of that sort. So checking out, we've got 12 cookies inside and we've got like books. So let's see. So this is the first one and this is the Choco Almond Nutty Cookies. Okay, the pieces are not very big, if you can see. And then on the second one we've got, this looks very cute and stuff, though this is the peanut butter nutty cookies. Not sure of how I'm gonna like this. And then we've got this one, white chocolate cashew nutty cookies. So the packaging is really very interesting and I think it's a good thing for gifting and stuff. But then let's see, let's taste and see how this actually tastes and is it worth the 300 rupees that I've spent on it. So yes, now it's time for tasting them. So as I showed you, there are like three type of cookies. So we'll start with the blue one, which is the cashew, white chocolate and cashew nut cookies. So this is how it looks. This is the packaging. Let's taste it. And this is how the cookie exactly looks. Looks pretty good, but its size is like, yeah, it's not as big as a big cookie. It's quite small. This has so much of cashews in it, if you can see. So this is more like cashew combined with white chocolate. Not very sweet, but then decently sweet, and the cashew balances it all. This is nice. I quite liked it because I felt a little bit of peanut, but it was majorly about the cashew. The next one that we've got is this one. This is a book which again has two cookies inside. So I'll take one out. So this is the peanut butter nutty cookies. So this has peanuts, of course it reads peanut. So just tear it. It's easy to tear, not a big deal for someone who can't tear packages like me. So this is how it looks. I'll give you a closer look. It's all nutty and backside has this peanut butter, I think. So yeah, smells very peanutty. I am not a very big fan of peanuts, so like, I don't know. So as I said, I'm not a very big fan of peanut, but still, it has a lot of peanut in it. And still, you know, the flavor of peanut butter and the chocolate drizzle sort of balances it out. It's peanutty, of course, it's very, very peanutty. But it's not something I would hate. Like, I don't hate this biscuit. This is okay for me. For someone who likes peanut, I think this will definitely be a real nice cookie option. So one thing is, these cookies are not very, very crispy because it's all nutty and then, you know, stuck together with either peanut butter or then there was white chocolate. So it's not very crispy as a cookie is what I felt. I don't know where the cookie wheat part is, which is good actually. It's stuffed with nuts. Stuffed. You can even see it's stuffed with nuts, which is the best part about it. And the last one that we've got is this one. And this also has two biscuits inside. And this is the Choco Almond Nutty Cookies. I'm like really looking forward to this one. So let's open this and see. This looks so pretty. this broke slightly. Then if you can see closely, it's got big chunks of almonds. Then yeah, as I can see, it also has peanuts in them. If you can see closely, just have a look. So wait, I'll just give you a better look of it. Just see from here. I think it contains peanut as well. So I'm gonna take a bite from this one as well. This has got a lot of Rice Krispies as well, if you can see. Here. This is really good. But then this is peanut. And what I feel is all of the three cookies have got peanuts in them. So I'm gonna quickly read the ingredient list of the cookies and see. Because I feel each of the cookies have peanuts in them, but then that's not a deal breaker at all. The peanut butter cookie is extremely peanutty delicious. It's filled with peanuts. But this one, the chocolate and the almond one, is so good. I really love this cookie because this has got like such huge chunks of almonds, and I love almonds. And chocolate, and then the flavor is really nice. But then there are peanuts, but you don't feel the flavor so strong. It's not very strong. Yeah. That's a good deal. But then for 300 rupees, this of course cannot substitute our regular biscuits or cookies, even if it claims to be very healthy and stuff. It is nuts, filled with nuts and all those things. But this definitely, you can give it a try. It can be your guilty pleasure. You can give this to yourself. And yeah, let me quickly check the ingredient list of one of these, so that I can be sure if these have peanuts inside them or not. So what I'll do for clarity is I'll just mark the peanuts, the where peanut is written with the pen, and show it to you. 3 places there it reads peanuts. So all the 3 cookies, my guess was absolutely correct. All the 3 cookies contain peanuts, and a lot of it. And of course, the almond one contains almond. It writes almond one contains almond for 26%. The peanut of course has a lot of peanut. Then coming over to this one, which is the white chocolate cashew nutty cookies, also has peanuts for 24%. So for the almond one, I did not feel very peanutty. It was the almond flavor which was covering up the peanut flavor. But the cashew one, I felt the peanut, as I told when I first tasted it. But then again with the peanut butter peanut cookies, it's of course it's all about peanut. They also sell separately. You can get each variant. But then I would of course suggest you to try this particular box, because in this you get 12 biscuits and you get to taste all of them. Like you get 4 pieces of each biscuits, which come in this very cute looking book kind of packaging, which is very cute. And this of course is a very good gift. And the packagings also read that these cookies are very good, rich in protein and stuff. So yeah, I am not a nutritionist. I do not have any idea about all this protein and everything stuff. I am here to tell you that it tastes good, and it claims to be having protein, like protein packed cookies. It reads somewhere, I'll show you. It reads protein packed. I don't know if it's focusing well. So yeah, so for me, the best cookie that I've had from all these 3 is this one, which is the choco almond one. And the second one can be the second one maybe is the cashew one, because I'm a little biased over things which are not peanutty, like totally peanutty. So that's it. But then if you are a peanut fan, I know I'm repeating it a lot of times, but if you're a peanut fan, you'll definitely like the peanut butter cookies. Yeah. So that's it for today. I hope you all are doing really well, and take care. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. And I hope you liked it. And yeah, so take care. Stay tuned. I'll be back with another video next week. Till then, take care. Bye.